What's going on, guys? So today I want to go over how we're going to replace the center console cover for the truck. So, as you can see, that is where my elbow sits, and it's not very comfortable. Yeah, this is very sharp, and it's very annoying. So today we're going to pop this off and then recover it, hopefully, with this. So that's a new skin that has all of the proper stitching and cutouts and whatnot. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is pop the center console open. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 little screws that need to be taken out. They are actually T10 Torx. So we're going to go ahead and, oops, I'm hitting the recline button on my chair. I'm going to go ahead and take these out. Not really sure what exactly. Oh, there we go.
This is a production.
Guess it's easier to go from the back. So, here is the underside. Looks like there's a bunch of clips that broke, which is okay. Alright, let me show you guys what's underneath here real fast. So it looks like there's a bunch of little clips that run all the way around, which I didn't really want to break, but it's not that big of a deal because the screws will hold everything in. Here is underneath the center console itself. Looks like this is just popped up on here. So hopefully we can just pop this off and put the new one on. There's the underneath. Here's the pad. Take that off. And let's go ahead and try and lay out this this other one real fast. Alright, so we moved back to the tailgate. So I went ahead and took the foam and laid this down inside of the new cover. The cutout for the front here, this is where the little latch goes, so that's towards the front of the truck, towards the dash. These cutouts are for the rear, which actually go over these three items right here. So that sets in like this. It's really hard to do one-handed. That pops in like this, and then everything folds over like that. Then we can screw it back on. So I'm going to set you guys back down again, and we'll move this all back to the front of the truck. Alright, well, it's in, guys. So it's a giant pain in the butt to get in, just trying to get everything lined up. Pretty much almost all of those little clips in the inside broke, which typical Nissan plastic. I don't think we'll probably ever get a Nissan again just for that reason. It laid down pretty nicely. Obviously, once it stretches out, I'm going to try and put it back taut. The problem is that all of these clips broke. So usually they snap into place here, which I don't know how well that's going to go over. See if it'll slide or not, but hopefully it won't. I don't really have a way of any way else of doing it, unless I like super glue it, which I may end up doing. I don't know. But the front turned out okay. The back actually was the easiest of them all, and I guess I can walk around the other side real fast. I ended up trimming a good bit off, just for the fact that it was so long that it wasn't letting the any of the clips that were remaining clip, and it was just bunching up over the screw holes. This side didn't turn out as well. There's some play here, but I mean, it looks a lot better than it did. It's kind of a little bump here, but once the material relaxes, I might take it apart and re-stretch it. But yeah, so turned out decent. I mean, for like 20 or 30 bucks, I forget how much I spent on this. It turned out pretty good. So yeah, hopefully this helped you guys out if you decide to do this on your own. I'll go ahead and link the in the description of where I picked this piece up. I forget, it was either Amazon or eBay or something like that. Yeah, it matches pretty decently. It's a royal pain in the ass to do by yourself, just because you need like 5 arms to hold stuff at the same time. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Go ahead and like this video if it helped you at all. If you have any tips or tricks to help others, please put them in the comments below, or if you have any other better solutions. So yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.